Hey guys, thank you for taking some time to watch this video. I just wanted to kind of navigate you through this Excel document. So this list on the left-hand side under Creighton Representative are all the individuals who are part of the Creighton Portfolio Practicum. It goes down to about 23 people or so. On this list, it shows their majors, hometown, what internships they had, and their current employers if they already graduated and are employed. So really all you guys, what you have to do is super simple. If you find a person on this list that interests you, such as you have a hometown in common, you have the same major, or you think one of their internships are cool, please put yourself down next to their name. So for example, you would type that in. Then your next task is to find this person on either the Creighton website or LinkedIn, message them and say, hey, can I have a 30-minute meeting with you that we can set up so I can just get to know you? We can introduce ourselves, and I want to pick your brain on the Creighton Portfolio Practicum and ask them a few questions. In terms of those questions, I'll send out a Word document for some possible questions you can ask them. But essentially, these conversations are meant to be a way where we can learn and gather more information about what Creighton did in their portfolio practicum, what they did well, what they actually went into it from an investment standpoint, how they got these funds, how it actually worked, some things they learned from it and wish they could have done better. Those are just some examples, but the whole concept is to gain as much information as we can from them on this. This is incredibly important. By gathering this information, it will be a huge leg up for us with Father Curran and possibly getting funding for our university and for the club. Please do this, guys. It's super easy. Just find one person on here that interests you. Obviously, there's more people in IEC than actually on this roster list. So obviously, we're not going to be able to hit every person in IEC or necessarily every person on this list, but just find one person that stands out to you and put your name by it and just contact them, please, within the next 2 weeks. There's some super cool internships on here. Some guys work for Verizon, TD Ameritrade. Some people actually work for Barstool, Office of the Treasurer. I mean, huge corporations. Goldman Sachs is where this Adam each is currently employed. Anna worked for TD Ameritrade, Verizon, and Gallup. I mean, huge corporations. A few self-employed people as well. So, I mean, huge opportunity here, huge networking chance. Please find a person you're interested in, put your name down, and set up a coffee chat with them and reach out. If you have any questions, please let me know. But this is a huge thing for us, guys, so just keep that in mind. Thanks. Have a great night.